Moderate mag. 4.0 earthquake 27 kilometers southeast of Yilan, Taiwan, on Monday, March 6, 2023 at 10:34 p.m. local time. According to the RaspberryShake reported, the exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. Updated, March 6, 2023 14:53 Greenwich Mean Time. 3 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quakes in Taiwan. Moderate magnitude 4.0 earthquake at 12 kilometers depth.is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.